Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the volume up or down button on your iPhone is not working. Whenever you're trying to press it, if it's not working, what you need to do. So one of the reasons why this is happening for many of the users is you might be having the physical cover or something. Over here in my iPhone right now I just removed it. So if the physical cover is gone through any kind of damage, if it's not pressing properly, you might be thinking your button is having an issue. So all the time when you're having this kind of an issue, what you need to do is you have to remove the physical cover that you're using. Firstly, you have to just remove it. Then you have to check with the button. So you have to keep pressing and you have to check. If not, what you need to do is you have to go to the settings here. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the sound and haptics. Now from here you have to turn on change with buttons. This is very important. You have to turn on this. After turning on this, you just need to go back and you have to check. But still, if there is an issue, then you can just move to the next one. That is all about you have to go to the general. From here you have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on the shutdown here. You have to turn off your phone. Then you have to just on it back once again and you have to check. Just go to shutdown here. So you have to slide the power off over here like this, so your phone will be completely turned off. Then you have to check with it. After your device is completely turned on, you just need to go back and you have to check whether the buttons are working fine or not. But still, if there is an issue, then you need to try one more thing which is going to help you guys out. That is all about you have to go over here itself, just tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here go to the reset, and there is an option called reset all settings. Like the name indicate, you might be wondering whether it's going to delete any of your data, but it won't. What it's going to do is it's going to reset your Wi-Fi. If you're having the screen layout and all those things will be completely reset, and it won't delete any of your personal data and all those things, so you can just go for this. Make sure after doing the reset all settings, if you wanted to connect back to the Wi-Fi, then you have to new the password and try connect it back, because all it kind of things will be gone. And most probably trying of these steps is going to fix the issue with these buttons. And I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.